You've got your Tangem wallet, you're excited about self-custody, but now you're probably wondering, can I actually buy crypto directly from this sleek little card? It's a fantastic question, and one that gets to the heart of what a hardware wallet is designed for, and perhaps more importantly, what it isn't. For those new to the world of hardware wallets, let's quickly set the stage. A Tangem wallet, like other hardware wallets, is primarily a security device. Its core function is to generate and securely store your private keys offline, away from the vulnerabilities of internet-connected devices. This means that even if your computer is compromised with malware, your crypto assets remain safe because the keys never leave the hardware wallet itself. When you want to send crypto, the transaction is signed securely on the Tangem card and then broadcast to the network via your connected device. It's a brilliant solution for self-custody, putting you in complete control of your digital assets. So, back to the burning question, can you buy crypto directly from the Tangem Wallet app? The short answer is no, not in the way you might buy crypto from an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Here's why. Buying crypto typically involves an exchange of fiat currency, like USD, Euro, or NGN, for cryptocurrency. This process requires a regulated financial entity that handles the fiat on-ramp, performs KYC, know your customer, checks, and facilitates the actual purchase and transfer of the crypto. Tangem, as a hardware wallet provider, is not a financial institution or a cryptocurrency exchange. Their expertise lies in secure key management, not in facilitating fiat to crypto transactions. Think of your Tangem wallet as a highly secure vault for your digital assets. You wouldn't expect your physical safe to also be the place where you print money, right? Similarly, the Tangem wallet is where you store your crypto securely, not where you acquire it. However, this doesn't mean your Tangem wallet is isolated from the crypto purchasing process. Far from it. What you do is purchase your crypto on a reputable exchange or through a peer-to-peer service, and then you transfer that crypto to your Tangem wallet for secure storage. The process is straightforward. Buy crypto, use your preferred cryptocurrency exchange, e.g., Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, or a local exchange if you're in Nigeria, to purchase the cryptocurrency you want. Generate address, open your Tangem Wallet app, select the cryptocurrency you just bought, and generate a receiving address. This is your unique public address for that specific cryptocurrency. Transfer, on the exchange, initiate a withdrawal of your purchased crypto and paste your Tangem Wallet's receiving address. Confirm, double-check the address, this is crucial, and confirm the transfer. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your crypto will appear in your Tangem Wallet app, secured by the private keys on your card. This separation of concerns, buying crypto on an exchange and storing it securely on your hardware wallet, is a fundamental best practice in crypto security. It gives you the convenience of exchanges for acquiring assets, combined with the unparalleled security of self-custody. So while you can't hit a buy button directly within the Tangem Wallet app, it plays an absolutely vital role in the overall process by providing the secure destination for your hard-earned digital assets. It's the ultimate protector once your crypto has been acquired. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.